If you know anything about wire spinners, the sight of one of these probably sends a shudder down your spine, and all you can think of is loose loops and jamming. Well, this one's got a couple of differences, and it's a ripper. Let me show you why. So before we put this thing through its paces in the paddock, let's go through the upgrades that have been applied to this spinner. To begin with, we've got heavy duty bushes where the down tubes join the cross frame, and these are side bolted rather than base bolted. This should stop the down tubes from spinning, wobbling, loosening, and even falling out. Second, we've got lots of adjustment holes in the down tube, a lot more than the others that you see on the market, giving you more adjustability for tension on the top of the pack. These are secured by a much heavier duty R-clip to avoid wear and loss over time. But the most important modification of the lot has got to be the simple modification to the top ring that I am just absolutely gobsmacked no one's thought of. You see these little plates here? These fit on the wire side of the bottom cradle and stop the wire from running between the top ring and the bottom cradle and jamming around the spool. And if you've ever run one of these wire spinners at speed and hit a bump, you know what I'm talking about. So let's throw some wire in the cradle, put the plate on, set this up, and run out some wire at a reasonable speed out the back of this buggy and see how well this spinner design performs with these three modifications. Rightio, let's go. Well, the buggy got up to 17 kilometers an hour. The wire came out flawlessly. This spinner itself is only a couple $100. You can put it in every ute you own. And with those modifications, I reckon it's going to keep on working. What I'd like to see is the tops of these down tubes just a little bit shorter so that it doesn't catch the roll when it goes onto the spinner. And I'm wondering if there's room to put a little nylon bush down the bottom just to make it spin a bit easier. Maybe that's going to create more problems with overspin, maybe it won't. I don't know, I just don't like squeaky wire wheels. If you like this kind of video, don't forget, hit the little subscribe button and send this to someone who's got an overhyped wire spinner and probably just needs one of these.